Previously on the life of a Broski.
Perfect.
Hello Broskis, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a Broski, where I bring you sneakers, lifestyle and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. And on today's episode, I am reviewing the Nike Air Max Plus 3 Triple White. Now broskies, I know I've done tons of other colorways to this sneaker, but I got so many requests for this colorway. And look at it. Could I say no? And broskies, I will be leaving affiliate links down below so you can get a good deal on this sneaker. Diving straight into this silhouette, the upper is a combination between synthetic leathers and mesh materials alongside those TPU overlays, which is a very nice touch. It has a great balance between style, comfort and breathability. Now there are the 3M accents on the toe box and also reflective stripes going up the tongue. And just on top of the tongue, there is that synthetic leather with the tuned air badge and Air Max Plus just below it. Going towards the heel counter at the back, there is that well structured TPU design that covers majority of the heel counter and that blends nicely into the synthetic leathers that cover the collar leading into the midsole. Now that shiny TPU material right at the front of the toe box, as always, has that shiny glossy finish. And on the lateral side towards the front is that cloth material, and in writing is tuned air. And last but not least is that iconic tuned air outsole. Now in terms of style and design, nothing has been touched apart from the color. And broskies, you know that old saying, if it's not broken, don't fix it. The all white finish to this classic and legendary Air Max is just amazing. In my opinion, top 5 best looking summer sneakers. There isn't really much else out there that looks better than this. Now when it comes to sizing, this sneaker for me is true to size. I got my normal size 9 and they fit perfectly. Now in terms of comfort, these are definitely right up there. The cushioning from the air units and the midsole is very comfy. Alongside that snug feel from the materials on the upper gives you a great on-foot experience. So overall comfort, I'm gonna give a solid 8.5. It's not on par with a Flyknit or React silhouette, but there's not much to complain about. Now in terms of breathability, the lightweight materials of mesh on the upper is a really nice touch. So overall breathability, I'm gonna give a 9. So broskies, we've come to the part of the video where I decide if these are a buy or a buy. Now it is called the white and vast grey colorway, and it's a very light grey on the mesh material on the upper, but for me it's near enough white. You can only really tell very close up, but I'm just gonna call it the triple whites anyway. But the amazing feel on foot with this sneaker alongside those highly breathable materials, not to mention that all white finish, what more could you want from a summer sneaker? So overall, of course, I'm gonna give these a buy. But broskies, let me know what you think down below. Are you a fan of this silhouette? Have you got other colorways? Or did you go for another silhouette for the summer? Anyways broskies, that's enough from me. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care.